Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Look at those buttons. I see some blue buttons, some green buttons, a red button, and what's the last color? Oh, you're right, a yellow button. So there are 4 different colors of buttons for Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Art by James Dean, story by Eric Litwin. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 1, 2, 3, 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! But then, pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4 take away 1 is 3. But did Pete the Cat cry? Buttons come, goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He just kept on singing his song. But this time, instead of saying about 4 groovy buttons, we're going to sing about 3. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! But then, pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. Now how many buttons are left? Let's see. There were 3. 1 popped off. 2. 3 buttons. Take away 1. You have 2 left. Did Pete the Cat cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He just kept singing his song. This time about, you're right, 2 buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Yeah. But then, pop! He was eating ice cream, another one popped off. Oh no. Another button popped off and rolled away. Now how many buttons are left? Let's see. There were 2. 1 popped off. I see. 1. Very good. 2 minus 1 is 1. But did Pete the Cat cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He just kept on singing his song. 1, 2, 3. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. 1. Yeah. But then, oh no, the last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? 1, take away 1 is 0. No more buttons. But did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. But Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? Another button, his belly button. And he kept on singing his song. My button, I still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. Yeah, no one's gonna take that away. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go, but do we cry? Goodness no. We just keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go, yeah. Buttons come and buttons go. Buttons come, buttons go, and I'll always have my belly button. Yeah! And that is the story Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Hope you enjoyed.